Hello everyone. Today I will present you a general presentation of the cybersecurity course in First Skills Lab. So you know that 30%, 37% of all of the global organizations are being hacked. So it's really important to know cybersecurity and to prevent our data. So we are preparing a cybersecurity course in First Skills Lab, and I will present all his part. Starting by the operating system, we will discover many operating systems like Linux and all, let's say, the most known version of it, like Ubuntu and Kali. Also, we will know many malware attacks and how it works and how we can prevent from them. Also, we will learn uh, bad USB and how they can touch our PCs and do many things in it. Also, we will know the online phishing and how hackers can know everything about that uh, and hackers. Also, we will learn networking, IP addresses, and all about network and internet. The main goal of this course is to give humanity the ability to protect themselves from cyber attack using advanced tools and knowledge. Each year, the student will have basic knowledge in coding, and also we should know that the purpose of learning to have is to protect data, not to have other. Other form, it's forbidden to have anyone as the course is only for academic purposes. So I'm Jmeaa, 22 years old student. Uh, I am member in first semester for 6 years now, and I have, let's say, 4 to 5 years of experience in IT in the club. And that's it. I am the cybersecurity. Welcome in our course.